bakuru b'amashomero nibagira ngo kibire hahizo baryo rwa mukaga kirekira amashomero aga garya habunkenke no kutina kandi tugine bwerinze okwihare kibireho abantu benda government teke nkambi y'amahe aha amashomero aga gabire garumugaza kutahirwa kandi abandi nibende gahereze abakume b'amahe okwenda ngo gabe garya habwerinze obwamani.
I'm requesting the government and all the stakeholders concerned to place a strategic detach to cover the area of Nyakasura School as a great institution, Kanonapolo also as a great institution, just as it was done for Kichwamba. Other schools which are also in a similar kind of setup, they also deserve such a kind of strategic deployment.
Basirikale okukuuma ekitundu kyaffe tufune permanent deployment ku institution day and night wabeerewo ki obukuumi obumala era abayizi badde mu nteekwa yaliko okusoma obulungi. Kijja tuyamba nnyo senga mu kitundu kyaffe wateekebwawo detach okukuuma emirembe mu kitundu kyaffe.
Babande nibenda gavumenti ebichereze babase kwetungira embundu nk'amashomero okwenda ngo ebyo kwerinda byabo babyekwateremu.
Would you place influence and have deployment of army or police, especially in boarding schools, as we organize to adjust our budgets and have armed personnel?
My thinking is that if government would allow schools to access guns, have access to guns, because personally I have been trying to access guns. I have private guns, but they are very, very expensive.
Abo kugamba ebi no baba baryo muri chiko barukubwabugana home minister wa government zebyanga Victoria Businja Rusoke ahambuga nkuru za district ya Kabarore omuri Kitumba.
Njagala okwebaza honorable minister of state for local government mama w'abaana Rusoke olw'okuyita meeting eno ya security oluvanyuma lw'ebyabaddewo mu kitundu kyaffe ekya Kanonapolo ne Nyakasula. Njagala okwebaza aba security agencies zaffe zonna mu Fort Portal ne Kabarore.
DPC wa Kabarore Pius Bihembo nagira ngo kutobukumi aharaburi ishomero kibasa kwija butabasika ngukoreka nibija kutaha emiringo eibaraga kume kandi nemyanya ndijo nayo neja kutunga burinzi.
Serious threats we shall do it, but I cannot assure you that in every school we're going to put permanent deployment inside. The only thing we can do is beef up security outside, have mobile patrols 24/7 to ensure that you are safe.
The situation is under control thanks to our forces, the PDF and the police, and we therefore call upon the people to remain vigilant and cautious about the people whom they may not be able to identify properly.
Chweke bitali bimu kwegesa abantu mukaye kandi basamiye kwetwaza bata community samiye coordinating yeta na security kandi nabantu bakuta mu roadblock kuba advising ngo abantu baleke kubaita omuntu weno bakwata batakuneye bamuheyo mukabibyo kwinda basobole kusewuleza.
Rusoke yahamiza bakuraba ku government nemanyo kutina kubarumo kandi ngo barumo bakorana ministry yebyo kwerinda okureba ngo bahamye byo kwerinda omwanya ogo.
They are in an examination period. S4 exams are going on. S6 is about to start. PLE started today. And I want to thank them for their cooperation. Some of the matters they are proposing as government deploying an armed guard per school, I told them could be a long-term action.
Oghona yayongera yagira ngo mbwiro butara bwa hare nibaza kufitaho rukiko na district zone mucyanga okureba ngo babasa okwehare kibireho.
What is happening here had happened in Kitagwenda some months back. People were attacked, killed, and we can't rule out that there might be a group planning in Kenjojo, planning in Kegwegwa, planning in Toroko.
Gasha kwa Jonan Singwire.